Congratulations, you clicked, which sets you apart from thousands who just keep scrolling. That means you know you are ready for more. Do you ever feel invisible even though you have done everything right? Like you have comfort, money, but miss that deep sense of identity and fulfillment. You know you are meant for more, but don't know where and how to begin. I am Rakesh Agarwal, Managing Director of Image Consulting Business Institute, and I have guided over 7,000 transformations. And today, I want to share something with you. You have seen how Priyanka Chopra, born in Jamshedpur, brought up in Bareilly, completely transformed her image from a small town girl to a global icon, entering a league other celebrities dream about. It's not just talent, it's the image, identity and influence that she built. My students did exactly the same. Rakesh Agarwal went from TV artist to successful YouTuber. Sakshi Chndrakar, Shruti Chowdary are earning crores today. Imran Beg, Mehernosh Daruwala entered the big league. Aarti Sharma transformed from homemaker to a business owner. Binaisha Kharas, a young girl suffering with dyslexia, rebuilt her image and launched her business within months. These stories prove transformation is possible no matter where you begin. That's why I created the 3-day life redesign challenge. In just 3 days, I'll guide you through the I4 code: identity, independence, impact, and income. The same system top 1% achievers use to unlock premium opportunities. It's a live, immersive experience where you will see how to build a magnetic image that attracts top opportunities. Seats are limited because this is hands-on and personal. If you ever felt undervalued, invisible, or stuck in a life that doesn't reflect your true potential, then this is your moment. Click below, secure your spot, and I will see you live.